Imagine three particles standing at the corners of a perfect equilateral triangle. At the very same instant, each particle starts moving with exactly the same speed. But here's the twist. None of them moves in a straight, predetermined direction. Instead, each particle continuously chases the next one. Will they keep chasing each other forever? Or will all three eventually meet at a single point? And if they do meet, how long will it take? Welcome to Numericals Studio. Let's make physics easy. Here we solve challenging physics problems using simple concepts and elegant reasoning. Today's problem is a classic pursuit problem. It beautifully combines symmetry, relative motion, and geometry. Before we begin, pause the video and see if you can predict the answer yourself. Now, let's draw the figure and solve this fascinating problem, step by step. Now let's solve this problem using one of the most powerful ideas in mechanics, relative velocity. Instead of following the complicated curved paths of all three particles, let's focus on just one side of the triangle, say, side AB. Initially, the length of side AB is equal to d. Our goal is simple. We only need to find how fast the distance between particles A and B is decreasing. Particle A always moves directly toward particle B with speed v. Particle B is also moving toward particle C. Since the triangle always remains equilateral due to symmetry, the angle between BA and BC is always 120 degrees. Only the horizontal component of velocity of particle along AB changes the length of side AB. The component of velocity along BA is v cos 120 degrees, which equals minus v by 2. Therefore, the relative velocity of approach between A and B is v plus v by 2. Hence, side AB shrinks at the constant rate of 3v by 2. Initially, AB equals d. At the instant all three particles meet, AB becomes 0. So, time equals the initial separation divided by the rate of approach. That gives us t equals d divided by 3v by 2, which simplifies to t equals to d by 3v. We never had to calculate the beautiful spiral paths of the particles. We only tracked the shrinking of one side using relative velocity. That's the elegance of symmetry and relative velocity in mechanics. Subscribe to Numericals Studio for more beautiful physics problems.